Today we'll be unboxing the Jure cloth drying rack. It is very easy to set up and it comes with these hooks to use to hang up the clothes and stuff. And one thing I like about it is that the setup is extremely easy. It's sturdy in construction, made out of stainless steel that is durable, that is suitable for heavy clothes, and it also has this additional rack area that you can use to spread your clothes, so you have a high capacity of clothes that you can store in it. I like that it is expandable from 43 to 63 inches and retractable angle length. This is windproof because it has those hooks, and those hooks allow your clothes not to fall off. The drying time was 3 hours for me to dry my clothes in the hot sun, and after I dried it up, I was able to remove my hangers from the drying hook, and also I was able to collapse it so quickly. Using this drying rack really helps save energy, and it's so light that I could carry it even with my laundry clothes. So this is a must have for me.